Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
Today we've got this such a great home on the west end of Panama City Beach. West End is known as the quiet end, and this house will not disappoint. You've got so much parking space, which is a premium. You've got so much outdoor living and yard in this 3-bed, 2-bath. Man, you just gotta come check it out. Let's go. Welcome to this beautiful West End bungalow. I love this property. You've got this beautiful open kitchen with the dining right next to it. And what I love about that is you've got peekaboo views over to the beach. Wide open here to the living room. All you, your guests, or your family can enjoy life together. And what I also like about this level is it's got a bedroom up here and it's split with 2 bedrooms downstairs. So let's go check them out. Welcome to the upstairs bedroom. Now this isn't a main ensuite, but the bathroom is just on the other side of this wall. As you can tell, there's lots of furniture in here and yet there's still some space. So you've got plenty of room in here. Now remember, there are also 2 more bedrooms downstairs, and check those out. And there's an additional full bath. So this home is a full 3-bed, 2-bath plus garage with a large yard on the west end. You can't beat that. Oh hey, I'm glad you're here. Check out this balcony. It's so large. You can extend your living space, your party space, your family time. You're overlooking the beautiful lawn, and you know, I'm always looking at that water view. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the actual listing link there for you to find out all the details, including price and square footage, anything that you need. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so you don't miss out on any beauties like this one.